so I left my camera holder behind, so I can't leave it on a tripod today. So I'll just have to video what I can. So today I'm gonna take the upright plate here and draw a line down the center, and then make a hole for this to go through, and also a hole for the flywheel to go through. But I'm going to have to measure it as I go along, because obviously my dimensions are not according to the plan anymore. Okay guys, I haven't got any round brass the size that we'll need, like 40mm. So I'm going to make it out of this, the what do you call it? The crank disc. So I'm just going to use this one. I think we'll get away with it. See how it works anyway. So I marked it out, center punch it. I'm going to drill a hole. This hole is going to be like 5.94, or just below. That's what this rod is. This will be on the other side of the rod. So that's going to be 5.94. This other one, I'm going to make it to probably this one or this one. I'll find out in a minute. So this hole is the center. This is 40 millimeters. It's in the center, and from there to there is 15 millimeters. There you go guys, so this will fit there and that will fit there. Obviously I've got to cut that off there, and obviously I've got to cut this one to the right length. But I'm not sure if this is going to be tight there, or should I drill and tap it there. So I might think about drilling and tapping it later. See how it goes. If it's tight, with Loctite, I'll leave it. If not, drill and tap it up. Okay guys, so this is what I've done so far. These are pretty tough. I didn't have to put super glue or anything on it, and they're on tough. If any problem I have with steam, I'll just drill and tap it. So guys, this is a test run here, and I thought I'd try it out like this to get the measurements right. And measurements are not too bad, but this is too wide, so I'm going to make it out of a bit narrow one here. And I'm going to make this hole a bit more closer to the middle there, because this is coming out here, and I don't want that to happen. But it does work like that as well. I mean, it can work like that. You see how it's coming out. So yeah, a few tricks I gotta do, and then I'll be alright. So guys, in the end, I thought I'd use brass because of my flywheel's bigger and my aluminium wasn't big enough, so I found a brass piece. I'm hoping it'll be alright. So this is it. It works at the moment. It's a bit stiff, so it can be done properly yet, right? So that'll work fine. A bit of oil and loosening up, but I haven't put on the holes here yet. I'm going to take this off. I haven't put these holes on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a masking tape here, put a little pin in there, and when it is in this position here, I will mark the hole. When it's in this position here, I'll mark the second hole and drill it accordingly. I hope it works. So to mark the holes, I'll put this masking tape here, and I made this little tiny pin, which is going to go in there with a little sharp edge somewhere. Sharp edge there. It's going to go right in. It's kind of sticking out, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to put that in. And I'm going to make sure when this is on that way, push it down. When that is that way, push it down. I'll show you what I mean. So guys, while it's there, I press down on this one here to mark the hole where the pin is. Then I'll move it down this way, mark the hole again. Now I've run out of time, so I'm going to have to do that next time. So please subscribe, thumbs up, and be patient with me. Thank you for watching. I've got a lot of hassle and bother with this today, but at least I got to this end here.